Psst, wait, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Nicole or Joslin, and today I'm gonna share with you all my travel skincare routine because I feel like this trip has really done my skin damage or has made it kind of adjust to different kinds of temperatures, weathers, air conditions, humidity, everything. So I really need to make sure that I can repair my skin and help it bounce back and stay healthy. If you've watched my past videos, you'd know I am a victim, not a victim, but I am a user of Korean skincare products, and it's the stuff that I got into when I started taking care of my skin, and honestly it does the job and does it really well, and I have a lot of faith in Korean skincare, which is why I'm going to share with you guys some products that I got from Yesstyle, which have helped to keep my skin moisturized, smooth, and healthy. And if you guys like any of these products, I will proudly list them down in the description box, and I'll have a link down there that gives you guys a discount if you use my code so that we can all affordably get nice skin. And to start off the skincare routine, I'm going to be showing you guys this Madagascar Centella Tone Brightening Cleansing Gel Foam. This is what it looks like. It just foams up in your hand, and I just like to gently put it on my skin, not really rub it in, just kind of let it foam up in my hand and then pat it around my skin. Whenever I use cleansers or anything on my face, I really try to avoid rubbing because rubbing is actually one of the things that causes pimples, so friction is bad. I feel like this is really a all-in-one kind of cleanser that removes traces of makeup. I don't even use makeup remover for my mascara anymore. It removes dirt and also gets rid of dead skin cells. This also features Made White, which is a skin brightening ingredient which is extracted from Madagascar Centella that improves your skin tone, so you get that natural bright look. Also, papaya, grape, apple, and plum are in this, and they exfoliate unwanted debris, which gives you a smooth and supple complexion. So that's the cleanser I've been using. And I have really sensitive skin, so something very gentle is perfect for my skin. And any skin, honestly. Next up, I use a serum. Serums just kind of give that extra kick of health to your skin. So I'm using this Pear Serum from Yes. It's a vegan serum that contains 83% of wild pear leaf extract and the hyaluronic acid to deliver abundant hydration. Yes, we love hyaluronic acid, just hydrates your skin a lot, and we want that, especially at night when we lose hydration in our skin. This has a really light texture, and when I apply it to my skin absorbs it really well, and that's also something that they say this does. So I feel like for everyone, this will really be absorbed by the skin very well. And another superpower of this serum is that it reduces irritation in your skin, which is good for me because my skin gets really dry and irritated, and it provides this barrier of moisture. And also, this is cruelty free. After that, especially at night, I like to use a cream, and I've been using this Calming Moisture Barrier Cream from Pyunkang. Here it is. It is a low pH moisturizer formulated with EWG verified ingredients to soothe your skin. And it's formulated with Cica, tea tree, and honeysuckle flower extracts to calm skin, as well as ceramide to fortify the skin barrier. And this is suitable for sensitive skin as well. I feel like creams are really important at night, once again because, as I mentioned earlier, our skin really loses a lot of hydration. It just evaporates from our skin, so we need a lot of moisture, like heavy moisture, to lock all that hydration in at night. And the very last part of my skincare routine is for my lips, because the lips are actually also very important, especially after being exposed to very harsh cold weather. My lips got really chapped and really dry, and so this moisturizing lip essence from One Thing has been part of my nighttime skincare routine. So this will really help with premature aging and also helps in balancing the oil and water level in your skin. The texture also isn't too oily. It's actually soft and non-greasy and just gives you that smooth coating on top of your lips. So Yeah, that's a new addition. I've never really had like anything for my lips part of my old skincare routine, so I feel like I'm also leveling up in my skincare routine. But yeah, those are the skincare products that I have been using a lot these days that haven't been present in my previous skincare routines. And once again, if you liked any of them, you can use my code and discount link in the description box. And all these products are also linked down below, so make sure to check them out. During the pre-winter season, fall, our skin really starts to show dryness and lose its moisture. So with these products, your skin can really be prepped and ready to stay supple for the approaching cold weather, or in this case for me, changing weather because I'm traveling. So I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, please make sure to click the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I guess my content now is really leaning towards lifestyle, traveling, still stationery, and self-care. Still like taking notes. I still like reading psych stuff, so you guys can still look forward to those things. But I think right now it's really travel and day-to-day stuff heavy, which I hope you guys still appreciate. And yeah, thanks for being here, staying here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, I love you all so much. Stay safe, sane, and inspired. See you soon.